Hey everybody, welcome to week 5 of your reading and writing intervention. Great job with all the work you've submitted so far from last week. Quick reminder, when you're doing your sentence corrections, make sure you're not forgetting your punctuation, your commas, your exclamation points, your apostrophes. A lot of you did a really good job last time remembering that if somebody is saying something in a sentence, you need to put that into quotation marks. Great job with that. So, as always, we have 2 assignments this week. We had 3 last week. It's an every other day class. So you have week 5, day 1 right here. Then you have to upload it right here. Week 5, day 2, upload it right here. Now, when you click on that PDF, it might say week 5, day 4, week 5, day 6. It might say something that doesn't match up. That's okay. That's because in the curriculum book, it's on a schedule that's different than what we are doing here for e-learning. So just trust that it is what it says. If it came from this link, that's the correct one. All right, if you have any questions, you can give me a call, you can shoot me an email, you can send me a Schoology message, you can Google Hangout, or you can FaceTime. All right, have a good one. Thank you.